way to Miami and Orlando. We are flying with American Airlines for this trip to Walt Disney World, and currently there is no mask mandates. I think Las Vegas still has the nicest airport. We are in Miami. First time ever.
shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main terminal. You will be arriving on the third level of the main terminal building. Baggage claim is on order.
Tapi yang dalam ni macam cak deh nak. Tapi yang tapi cerita ni lah.
Udah cakap apa?
Tapi itu cakap cakap deh elu itu. Kalau mau buat itu juga ya.
Ya. Itu terlalu.
So itu
21 years. 21 years.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the 8 p.m. stops, please exit.
We are at the Orlando International Airport. I have not been here in the last 20 years. We're gonna go pick up a rental car right now. We got to Alamo and there were so many choices and so many opinions between the four of us, but finally we settled on a Toyota Highlander for our trip.
You too.
We got our Toyota. Smile.
Smile,
Say
yeah,
cheese.
Smile.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
We are in Florida after 20 years. The last time we were here was 2001. We moved and never looked back.
Looks the same.
Yeah, kind of Disneyworld Airport Road. No, I think a lot of these roads are new from when we were here though. I don't remember it looking like this. I remember I used to come and pick me up. I just came right there and then opened the
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Still
still
remember this?
Yeah, I remember coming this road right there.
I don't know nothing.
Oh, look at we're back at the nice blue sky, the Sunshine State. We just drove and we're gonna go eat Vietnamese food, but then we passed this Laos place, sticky rice, so we decided to come and eat here. Can't wait to try it.
Pork belly, rice bowl. We can get some spring rolls.
Yeah.
I was like, oh yeah, they're still open. This is the one Rachel.
Oh, that's the sticky chicken wings, right? That I wanted.
You just give us the phone and then we all try that.
This is the market we used to come to all the time. In the back. after the market, we decided to go look for the bakery, and it's been 20 years, so we kind of got lost a little bit, but we finally found it.
Oh, home similar.
Downtown Orlando.
This is downtown already. Never been in downtown here before.
So we drove through downtown Orlando and Church Street, a local hangout when we used to live here, and I'm sure it still is right now. Wow, look at this. Look at these how cute little houses. Imagine that even your Jane Open next to the bakery. Look at this Spanish house. See, the bakery's right here.
Where?
Somewhere over here. Go straight. I
I don't know. I gotta watch for
I remember the bakery was somewhere here.
Maybe that one
Over there, huh?
Hey, look what's going down. Oh, is that
Right
the
there.
one? Must be this one here.
Oh yeah. They painted it black. Oh my gosh, they make it look so different.
Yeah, remember we used to...
Oh yeah, you guys, this is the
spot.
bakery right here, you guys. Right here.
They make it something now.
What is it?
Something different.
Oh
now.
look, we used to always come there, Daddy.
I don't know what they do in there. I don't think they do anything in there.
Yeah, they do. No, they put the night food and pick up. It's part of this. Yeah, Uber Eats. Yeah, see, this is the street that I would always come down.
Yeah, I don't know, huh?
Yeah, the bakery. See, I still want to be able to find the bakery.
What are you gonna do?
Just tell them you're just a rental. The Leaky Tiki Village. This is our room, our condo for the week. We will go tour this later over here. And then you have a covered patio, screened porch. So you can sit out here and have coffee or breakfast or something. We have a pull-out couch and a full kitchen. Laundry is in here. It's the master bedroom. And here's Kimberly's room. Brandon gets the couch. And Daddy is already sleeping. We get a view of the parking lot. Then the bathroom, closet, bathroom, shower. We just got back from grocery shopping like we did at home. Yep, it's looking like a house already.